Hi children, we enjoyed doing addition, did we? You like to do addition? Yes. Now, some stories. You like stories? Yes. So we are going to do word problem, some stories. And then we'll do in addition. So word problems in addition through some tiny stories. Okay? Now, your daddy comes home and he brings you 2 tiny puppies. And your neighbor aunt gives you 1 more puppy. How many? So now how many puppies have you altogether? Dad gave 2, neighbor aunt gave 1. What is the total number of puppies? 3. So how many puppies you have altogether? 2 plus 1, 3 puppies altogether. Yes? So that is story. Word problem in addition through tiny stories. Yes? It's very interesting. Once you learn to do addition, word problem is very easy. Shall we look at our first story problem? Yes, here we are. Story. Let's read together. Yes? Look. Word problems in addition. Let's look at our first problem. Now there is a little story. What is the story I have here? There's 2 little girls here. Rita, Tina. 2 little friends. Rita and Tina. Now Rita, please read with me. Rita has 6 balls. She's going to play. Both Rita and Tina are going to play. Rita has 6 balls. How many? 6. Count on your fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, 6 balls. Now look. Second sentence. Read. Tina gave. Tina is Rita's friend. Tina gave her 3 more balls. Tina gave her 3 more balls. So here Tina comes and gives Rita 1, 2, 3 more balls. So, the question here is, Rita has 6 balls. Here Tina is giving 3 more. Question, how many balls does Rita have now? How many balls does Rita have now? That is the question. Yes? What are we doing? Word problem or story problem. Yes, you understood? So, Tina has 6 balls. How many balls does Tina have in a little box? 6. So, we write here 6. Rita has 6 balls. Now comes Tina. Tina, she gave Rita 3 more. So, we write 3 here. 3 more. What do we have here? She gave her 3 more. 6 plus 3. That is 3 more. When you say 3 more, that means 6 balls Rita has plus 3 more balls Tina gives. Yes? Now 6 plus 3. What will be the total number of balls that Rita has now? Read the question. How many balls does Rita have now? 6 plus 3. What is the number? 6 plus 3. We already have 6. 3 more. 7, 8, 9. What is the answer? 9. How many balls Rita has? 6 balls. How many balls Tina gives her? Plus 3. 6, 7, 8, 9. How many balls altogether? 9. So, Rita has 9 balls altogether. Rita has 9 balls altogether. You counted all? Okay. 6 plus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 plus 3. 7, 8, 9. So, Rita has 9 balls altogether. How many? 9 altogether. You like the story problem? You like the word problem? How many balls does Rita have? 6 in all. How many balls? Tina gives her plus 3. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. She gives her 3 more. 7, 8, 9. The question, how many balls does Rita have now? Answer, Rita has 9 balls altogether. That is the answer. Did you like it? Yes, it's very interesting, isn't it? Good. Shall we look at another word problem? A tiny story problem? In addition, good. Here we are. We have another story, addition, word problem. Yeah? Look, let's read it together. 5 bees came into the garden. How many bees came to the garden? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bees. For what? To search for honey. Why do bees come into the garden? To look for honey, to collect honey. How many bees? 5. 2 more bees came there. 5 already. 2 more plus 2. How many bees came in totally? The question is, how many bees came in totally into the garden to collect honey? First, let's write our answers. 5 bees came into the garden in search of honey. How many bees? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we write the 5 here. 5 bees flew into the garden, came into the garden in search of honey. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you write the 5 here. Then 2 more bees came into the garden. How many? 2 more. So you write 2 here. So you have 5 bees in the garden, come to collect honey, plus 2 more. How many more? Plus 2 more. 5 bees plus 2 more. What is 5 plus 2? What is 5 plus 2? 5, 6, 7. The answer, 7. There are 5 bees altogether. Then 2 more join. So 5 plus 2, 6, 7. Answer. The question is, how many bees came totally? Now, that is it. What is the how many bees came totally? 7. 7 bees came there totally. How many? 5 plus 2. 7 bees came there totally. Let's count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 2 more. 6, 7. How many bees? 7 bees came there totally. So how many bees are there in the garden now? 7. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 bees came there totally. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Did you enjoy? Lovely story, word problem in addition, isn't it? 5 bees come in, 2 more come in, 5 and 2 plus 2, 2, 5 plus 2, 5 plus 2 gives 7 altogether. Good. Shall we look at another story, word problem in addition, and enjoy doing the addition? Good. Let's look at this story. Let's look at it and read together. What are we doing? Learning to read, learning to understand, and learning to do addition. Yes, lots of things we're doing. Minnie is a little girl, Minnie has 3 pencils with her. The little girl Minnie, how many pencils does she have? Minnie has 3 pencils with her. Dad bought her 2 more pencils. Dad bought her 2 more pencils. Question. How many pencils do Minnie have totally? How many pencils do Minnie have totally? That is a question to be found out. Let's go to the first part. Minnie has 3 pencils with her. How many pencils? So we write here 3 pencils. Minnie is the little girl who loves to go to school and she has 3 pencils with her. So we write 3 here. Dad bought her 2 more pencils. Dad bought her 2 more pencils. She has 3 and Dad bought her 2 more pencils. So 3, 4, 5. So 3 pencils she has. Dad gave her 2 more. Now the question is, how many pencils do Minnie have totally? Minnie has 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 is? 3 plus 2 is? 3, 4, 5. The answer is 5. 3 pencils, 4, 5. 3 pencils plus 2 pencils will give you 5 pencils. Question. How many pencils do Minnie have totally? Minnie has 5 pencils totally. Yes? Answer is Minnie has 5 pencils totally. First, 3 what she has? 1, 2, 3. Dad gets her 2 more. 1, 2. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 pencils plus 2 pencils give you 5 pencils. Did you like this? Word problem, story problem in addition. Beautiful, isn't it? Did you enjoy? Good. Shall we go to another? Yes, we'll take another problem and work it out together. We are learning to read and we are learning to add and we are learning to write a sentence. Yes? Good. Let's read the word problem together. Read with me. There are 4 buffaloes. How many buffaloes? There are 4 buffaloes and 4 cows. 4 buffaloes and 4 cows in a shed. Where are the buffaloes and cows? They are all in a shed. How many buffaloes? 4. How many cows? 4. They are all in a shed. How many animals are there in the shed totally? So there is a shed. There are 4 buffaloes and 4 cows. The question is, how many animals are there in the shed? You like the story? Good. The first part, let's do. There are 4 buffaloes. How many buffaloes are there in the shed? 4. So we write the number 4 here. How many buffaloes? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we write the 4 here, over here. 4 buffaloes in the shed. How many cows are there in the shed? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we write the 4 here. 4 buffaloes, 4 cows in the shed. What is the question asked? Read with me. How many animals are there in the shed totally? 4 buffaloes and 4 cows. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 plus 4. 4 buffaloes plus 4 cows. 4 plus 4 is 8. Yes? 8. So, your question is, how many animals are there in the shed altogether? There are 8 animals. That's the answer. There are 8 animals. 4 buffaloes, 4 cows. 1, 2, 3. 4 buffaloes. How many cows? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. There are 8 animals in the shed. Yes? You like the story? There are 4 buffaloes plus 4 buffaloes. That gives 8. 4 plus 4 is 8. 4 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 buffaloes plus 4 cows. There are 8 animals in the shed. Yes, you like this story? Beautiful. Shall we take another word problem and do addition? Yes, look at the story. It's an addition word problem story. Let's read the story. Look carefully. Read with me. There are 2 sparrows and 4 parrots sitting on a tree. Look at the tree. Look at the tree. There are 2 sparrows and 4 parrots sitting on a tree. Good. What is the question asked? How many birds are there in all? Let's do the work together. How many sparrows are sitting on the tree? There are 2 sparrows sitting on the tree. So we write here 2. There's a huge tree, 2 sparrows sitting on the tree. So we write true. Now, after writing the 2, let's read the other half. And 4 parrots also sitting on the tree. How many? 4 sparrows also sitting on the tree. So we write here 4. 2 plus 4. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 plus 4 is 6. 2 plus 4 is 6. What is the question asked? How many birds are there in all? There are 6 birds in all. That's the answer. 4, 2 sparrows sitting on a tree, 4 parrots sitting on the tree, and there are 6 birds in all. 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 birds in all. 2 sparrows, 1, 2. 2 sparrows and 4 parrots. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. There are 6 birds in all sitting on the tree. Very good.